1991 Honda Civic Hatchback. It's only got 90,000 miles on it, all original. Really beautiful car. So what we've done on it, factory converter, factory header, and then we ran 2 1/4 all the way back, as you guys can see, over the rear end. And we put a FLOWMONSTER muffler on it, right there. We'll have a link in the description for it. And then we ran a tailpipe and dual tip out the back, as you guys can see right there. Came out really nice compared to what it was before, all rotted out. Original system from 91 level. Got holes all over in it, as you guys can see. There it is. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. The FLOWMONSTER is right here. Here's the FLOWMONSTER part number. There'll be a link in the description for it. Unleash your monster with the FLOWMONSTER. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Hatchback. Brings back a lot of memories, guys. Go ahead. Does sound like a monster. Yeah, it's good. Here's sound decibels. Right at 101. Again. Go ahead and back it up.
That sounds so...
Yeah. It's really clean too. Original paint, original everything. It's crazy, only 90,000 miles. Good old Tennessee rain, as usual. Let you guys hear on the inside. Honda Civic. FLOWMONSTER exhaust. I like the wheels he put on it too.